Yeah guys, just a real quick video this one. I'm not going to keep you for long, but I want to launch our second channel. We have indeed a second channel. I believe I've called it Scott and Alana Extra. No, it's actually Extra Scott and Alana. Extra Scott and Alana. That's all it is. Extra Scott and Alana. Not the first one that I just said. Basically, we're just going to use it to stick all manner of random content on the channel. A lot of stuff that doesn't fit on our main channel. The issue with our main channel, obviously we'll call it Scott and Alana 4x4, but once we go a bit off piste, the content doesn't really land anymore, and some of the videos can almost be too random for this main channel. So yeah, go and check it out if you want to see more from us. I don't know why you would, but if you want to see more from us, go and subscribe to Extra Scott and Alana, and then you'll see all manner of random videos popping up over the next coming weeks. Some will be good, some will be bad, some I'll put a lot of effort in, other ones I won't put hardly any effort in whatsoever. It's just very much a dumping ground for any random videos or random trips we might go on that might not be in keeping with this channel. So yeah, if you can, go and subscribe to the channel, stick a like on any videos that are there, that'll be much appreciated. Cheers everyone, I'll let you carry on with your day. Goodbye for now.